To pay with an American Express card online. Start by ensuring you have a valid American Express card and a secure internet connection. First, go to the website of the merchant where you want to make a purchase and add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. Once you have added all the items, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will be asked to select your payment method. Choose the credit card option and then select American Express as your card type. You will then be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 15-digit number on the front of your card. The expiration date is the month and year your card expires, and the security code is the 4-digit number on the front of your card. After entering your card details, you may be asked to provide additional information such as your name and billing address. This information should match the information on your American Express card statement. Once you have entered all the required information, review your purchase details to ensure everything is correct. Next, click the Submit or Pay Now button to complete your transaction. You may be redirected to a secure payment page to verify your identity and authorize the transaction. This is a standard security measure to protect your card information and prevent unauthorized transactions. If your transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation message and an email receipt from the merchant. You can also check your American Express account online to verify the transaction. To avoid any issues, make sure your card is active and has sufficient funds to cover the purchase amount. Also, keep your card details and transaction information secure to prevent fraud and unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely pay with your American Express card online. Remember to always monitor your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to American Express immediately.